In 2017, there were nearly 400 violent crimes per 1 lakh people according to the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Some states experienced a far higher rate of violent crimes than others. Maine experienced of the lowest rate of approximately 120 violent crimes per 1 lakh people, while Alaska experienced nearly 830 per 1 lakh people. US News determined the safest states in the USA as part of its 2019 Best States ranking, taking into account each state's violent crime rate and property crime rate. So let's go. Number 5, Idaho. Idaho is a northwestern US state known for mountains, landscapes, and vast swaths of protected wilderness and outdoor recreation areas. Idaho is one of the most safest states in the states. That's why Idaho low violent crime rate ranking number 6 and low property crime rate ranking number 7. That sounds pretty good. Especially this state very safe for solo female travelers. Number 4, New Jersey. New Jersey is a northeastern US state with some 130 miles of Atlantic coast. Jersey City across the Hudson River from Lower Manhattan is the site of Liberty State Park, where ferries embark for nearby Ellis Island. New Jersey, one of the most safest states in the United States, according to 2020 new reports. If you plan to buy some expensive property, then you should go for New Jersey because in low property crime ranking, New Jersey ranks number 6 and low violent crime ranking, New Jersey ranks number 8. That's pretty good. Number 3, New Hampshire. New Hampshire, a US state in New England, is defined by its quaint towns and large expanses of wilderness. In the north, Fire Mountain National Forest is known for winter sports areas and empty Washington, the region's highest peak with a Cork railway to its summit. New Hampshire is one of the most safest places for women in night. That's why in low violent crime ranking, New Hampshire ranks in number 3. That's pretty good and pretty cool. And low property crime rate ranking, New Hampshire ranks number 1 in United States. Number 2, Vermont. Vermont is a state in the northeastern United States known for its natural landscape, which is primarily forested. Part of the New England region, it's also known for being home to more than 190 century covered wooden bridges and as a major producer of maple syrup. Vermont is one of the most safest states in the states. That's why low violent crime ranking, Vermont ranks number 2 and low property crime rate ranking, Vermont ranks number 2. Number 1, Maine. Maine, the northeasternmost US state, is known for its rocky coastline, maritime history and natural areas like the Granite Shipwreck Islands of Acadia National Park. Maine is number 1 safest state in United States because of low violent crime rate ranking. Maine stands number 1 and low property crime rate ranking. Maine stands in number 4. Maine is most safest state for solo female traveler. Guys, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.